Hi guys. We're right now in Castelldefels in Catalonia, Barcelona. One of those beaches where people love to coming. Look at this. It's beautiful, nice and clean and quite long. It's close by. You have so many beaches. You can walk through all the way to Barcelona airport to all the way to Sitges. It's beautiful. Today, although the weather is a bit gloomy, but still it's quite nice. But it's still not ready yet for the playa. I might thinking need a little bit more time. Today the water is still a bit cold. I think end of May it could have been perfect. And June, July and August and September also beautiful. Right now the water flowing this way, so you can have a look. Quite a big wave and it's nice and cold. Now let me let you know guys, if you guys want to come here, how you can come. If you landed to Barcelona airport, and then from there you can get a bus to come here, and also there the train also can come here. But it's a better way to get a taxi. It's just about 15 minutes. You can come here in 15 minutes from a Barcelona airport. So it's a beautiful place for hang around with the family, and also there's so many restaurants and hotels. So it'll be very good fun. Enjoy guys.